This is a video showing how to use the WordPress pages function and how to actually organize them on your site using the navigation. So pages are kind of the main content of your site. They're going to have like your contact, the About You page, your portfolio, any of the static information that you're always going to want to have on your site is going to be in a page. So all of the formatting on a page is the same as a post. The only difference being there are a couple things on the sidebar that are a touch different. So as you can see, the actual formatting itself is all the same. You've got the same menu bar here. You can do all the same stuff inside of this. The only difference is you have these templates over here. And what these do is they change what gets generated on your page. So for instance, this is a full width page. Most normal pages are going to have a sidebar on them, and that's going to maybe have your contact information, a place for them to sign up to your newsletter, and things like that on it. And that's going to be the default template. A blog page lets you select a category, and then any blog post that falls under that category will go into your blog page. The contact page just has contact information on it. The gallery page and portfolio page show off what you've done. Gallery page uses posts, and then the portfolio page just uses the page itself. The login page is if people can log in and do membership things, then you can make a login page and they can use that. At the moment, you don't have a membership, anything on your site that they would log into, but it might be used in the future. A search page is just a really simple search function. And then a sitemap page is a map of everything on your site. All the posts and pages and categories and information on your site is found in that sitemap. And that's the only real difference between a page and a post. Now, if you want to change the organization of this top menu on your website, then what you want to do is go into this Appearance tab right here and click on Menus. And when you click on Menus, what that's going to do is bring up this. And then there's going to be these tabs up here. And if there's more than one, you want to make sure Main Menu is the one you have selected. And as you can see, this looks pretty similar to the navigation on your website. And it's because this is generating that navigation. So if you ever want to change something on here, what you have to do is you have to select one of these, one of the pages or one of the categories, and hit Add to Menu. And that's just going to add it to the bottom of the menu. Then with that, you can just click it and drag it and move it anywhere on this menu. If you want it to be its own thing, then you can just kind of drag it and make sure that that bar is to the left side. And then if you want it to be the child of something, like commercial and corporate reel, you just put it next to them and make sure it's tabbed out one space. And what that does is it's going to put it on this little drop down menu here, as opposed to giving it its own space on this. And once you do that, you just click Save Menu, and it's going to automatically modify your bar. That's really all there is to it. It's a really powerful system. It's really easy to use. And yeah.